Okay, hi everyone. I'm live again. Sorry for that. So there was some issue earlier, and because of that, I really wasn't able to. Basically, the live session broke off, and yeah, now I'm basically using my personal hotspot to stream the whole thing, and frankly, that's really demoralizing. Anyway, that's the Nifty. Nifty opened. Nifty kind of surprised me. I mean, if it does not like retracts, but I suppose it's a 5 minute candle. There is stuff that is yet to happen. It just might retract on this side. Okay, let's not go through the list right now. Okay, let's just not. So there is some retraction, but still nothing like, for example, this one. Frankly, how would I know, right? Okay, KOCL, there is AB Capital. Okay, let's just let it be for now. We don't really need to go that much deep into it. Let's just focus on strategy for today. So, what do you guys think? Um, should I take stop loss based on intuition? Should I base it on data? Like, should I use 1.5 times ATR at the time to basically take the stop loss? Let me know in the comments. Okay, 1 minute left in the first candle closing. The candle has not really collapsed as such. It's actually dumping. Oh, what are the changes here? Nothing really. Yeah, there are changes, obviously. So we have Karur Vyasa, which is leading here. Mhm. 9 more seconds before the candle closes. And that's it. That was our first candle, and it was a very red candle. And the trend is following. I will have to be a bit quick about my entries. Let's do Karur Vyasa. Okay, this is what. Okay. Next we have what? KIOCL. I almost forgot I already had Karur Vyasa open at the time. And that thing is moving a lot. Then there is AB Capital. Okay, hello there, AB Capital. Okay, I think we can open one more. That is Hind Petro. I don't need I don't need to focus on anything else. Okay, let's open this and now we compare. This is fairly out of the question. Okay. Oh man, this guy. Okay, I want to short this guy. 290.8, 291.8, 292.8. That is divided by 225. Okay, that is one trade set. Okay, so even though the candle is going down, we are seeing like really heavy buying pressure in Hindustan Petroleum stock. So for now, I'm just gonna like focus on Karur, yeah. So because this seems like it just might come around, so I need to be ready. So it is 275.55, 276.55, 277.55. So I think divided by 50 divided by 2.5. So we need to go in with like 20 stocks. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, seeing huge buying pressure here also. But for now, let's be ready with 20 stocks. We are seeing some buying pressure on Aditya Birla Capital as well. But I'm already in, so there is only so much I can do there. Okay, in the petroleum. Okay, so for Aditya Birla now, net volume is positive, very positive. Uh, I suppose it's gonna be up and down, so we can just leave it there. Hmm. Karur Vyasa, I am not really sure about. Hindi Petroleum, I'm getting some distinct, some good vibes at Hindi Petroleum. I don't know that's a good thing or bad thing. I'm sorry. Do I need to refresh my initial list? Nothing is changing there. We really are stuck with heavy hitters. Man, and it really did hit. Oh man, just look at that. Where did that buying volume came from? Oh man, that is really something. I just really hope this turns around in my favor. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm looking at this for the second shot now. 320.55, 321.55, 322.55. So let's for the second shot. Man, no, let's wait a little bit. Man, all of these has crazy buying volumes. At this point, I'm not really sure about my entry anymore. Two 277.20, 278.20, 277 point. At least make 25, right? Okay, so this is what 270. Oh my, 276, 278. Okay, that is good to see. Can remove this now. Okay. Okay, now I'm getting hope for this again. I mean, there is still buying. Oh my god, it's gonna push. It's gonna push. Shit, it pushed. And I got kicked out. Mm. The worst thing is, I know it's going to come down. At least I think it's going to come down based on that reducing buying volume, but frankly, it can just flip around anytime. So if not anything, I'm happy that I didn't go and increase my stop loss, even though I had very much an interest there in increasing my stop loss. Oh, well, shit happens. The way I see it, that was my 50%, I suppose. 50% loss, that is. Now I hope I'm looking at my 50% gain. Hmm. Mhm. And frankly, if it does not create a problem for me, I'll be happy holding this for a long, long time. Okay, here we go. I think. Okay, there is this level. I think it is yesterday's low, 274.20. Let's see. Let's see us break it. 274.20. Okay, we are getting some buying volume here. I suppose that is to be expected from a point like that, but we will see. I mean, there is buying volume, but at least for now it is weak, and hopefully it will remain that way, although it is increasing a bit. So I can see that buyers are coming at this 274 point, basically throughout 274s, buyers are coming in. Maybe on 1 minute chart, they are looking at a double bottom. Maybe that is what's driving them for now. But frankly, what I'm hoping is it could just be shorts covering, or it could be both of them together. Okay, it can just be both of them. Both of those things acting together to make this happen. Yeah, it could very well be that, but we will see. Oh, okay, now officially the buying volume is a bit scary, and that happens when it goes closer and closer to that 274.2 range. I suppose at that point we are that much closer, but if we can overcome this point, then things would be a little better. Okay, that is some great stuff. We are a lot closer to our 1 hour at least, but the buying volume is still coming, man. Hmm, the buyers are still there. Okay, whenever it's coming to that point, I can see the push. I can see the push in the ticker, obviously. I can see the push in the volume. Volume is now getting at scary levels. There we go. That is good to see. That is very good to see. That is not good to see. We still have buyers coming in. But at least it's lesser than last, and now we have clear selling pressure, at least better than what we had in the earlier candle. So basically, hopefully, that is what it means that we have sustained the buying pressure. Very well could be very different thing. I don't really know. But the net volume is smaller as compared to what we see, and it is dipping down at times as well. So I am happy about that. I will happily take that action. Frankly, today I'm hoping to hold this, and I do want price to really move away from like a proper structure breakdown, that price moves away from my entry. Like right now, I mean, we have seen one breakdown which have gave us some breathing space, but it is still close. I mean, for a cap stock, this equilibrium can very easily break. So yeah, I would like to see that guy finally break 274.20. I think we saw it. Yeah, I think we are seeing this. Maybe the breakdown that I was looking for, we are looking at here. Great stuff. And then the second consolidation will happen, and then I am a bit relieved. So with this, what can happen is I can, just hold. I mean, if this can go to 60 ticks and then consolidate there, nothing like it. And position sizing really is something. Um, 45 ticks, that is a great move. Okay, I'm sorry, dude. I don't think I'll be able to hold this for much longer. I mean, 49 ticks really does pushes me to my limit. Okay, what happened? How much were we able to cover? That was a good trade. Uh, that really was a good trade, at least within itself. I mean, yeah, sure, I panicked. Could I have held longer? I'm sure I could have. But frankly, this was coming, and I don't know how far up this will come. So I did not take the risk, which could be very stupid thing, but it is what it is. Okay, guys, that was all the action for today. We have one good trade, one not so good trade, and yeah, we are closing at that. Have a great day, everyone.